Find angle X below. Now, this is a circle geometry problem where you can simply apply just about one theorem and then one theorem for triangle to find the value of angle X. Now, the first thing I want us to look at is this point here. This point here. Or, okay, let me look at it from another point of view, because don't forget, there are always different ways to solve problems like this. Now, if you look at these points B and E, you agree with me that these 2 points, these 2 lines from B and E, I have this line coming to point D, and I have this line coming to point D. The 2 of them together form this angle 25 degree. Then from the same points B and E, I also have 2 lines moving to another part of the circumference to form this angle at C, which is this angle. So according to the rule there, once you see point like that coming from the lines coming from the same point, going to the circumference to form an angle, and then another part of the circumference to form an angle, then you agree with me that the 2 angles are angles in the same segment and they are equal. So this is 25. This will also be 25 degree because angles in the same segment are equal. Then now the next thing I want us to look at is the fact that the sum of these 2 angles now is going to give us a particular value that we'll examine now. If we check this AB, line AB, it is extended outward. Hope you are seeing that. Line AB is extended outward now. That is, I want to use triangle ABD. Triangle ABD. So one of the sides of the triangle is extended outward to form this exterior angle. So the rule for triangle states that one of the rules is that the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the 2 opposite interior angles. So these 2 opposite interior angles will add up to give us this angle here. So 32 plus 25 is going to give us 57. So that means this exterior angle is 57 degrees. That is the sum of the 2 opposite interior angles give us the exterior angle. So in the same way, this X is also an exterior angle, because if you look at this line BF is extended outward using triangle BCF. So this line BF is extended outward to give this exterior angle X. So the rule again is that this exterior angle X, let me write it now, will be equal to the sum of the 2 opposite interior angles of the triangle. And that will be 57 plus 25 degrees. And that will give us X is equal to 57 plus 25 is going to give us 82 degrees as the value of angle X. And that is the final answer. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and join for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.